If we really want to have a modular system, it's in modern systems integrated through APIs. And we also can see a trend that those monolithic systems are not longer super monolithic. In the cloud, this is called microservices. What does this mean? This means instead of having a MES system that is either completely there and takes 4 years to implement, you start with some elements that you need, and all of those elements can directly interact with other areas of the automation or industrial software stack. What we do, and this will come in a minute, is we flatten the hierarchy. We get into a system where we, as designers of those systems, can define systems how we want them. We define them in fine-grained elements called microservices. And then ultimately, we have an environment that allows to run those microservices.